So let's look at an example of an oxidation reduction reaction. Here we have lithium reacting with oxygen gas to form lithium oxide. We want to figure out what is oxidized, what is reduced, what is the oxidizing agent, and what is a reducing agent. In order to do this, I need to assign an oxidation state to each element in this reaction. So I'm using the rules in your book on page 177. So you have lithium solid here. This corresponds, I'm going to figure out the oxidation state for this, and it's going to correspond to the first rule for assigning oxidation states. It says the oxidation state of an atom in a free element is 0. So the oxidation state of lithium is 0. Now I'm going to look at the oxidation state of oxygen gas, the oxygen in oxygen gas. The oxidation state of each one of these oxygens is going to be 0. Okay, now I'm going to look at lithium oxide. I know from this little table at the bottom of page 177 that oxygen is going to have a -2 oxidation state. And then I also know that the sum of the oxidation states of all atoms in a neutral molecule or a formula unit is 0. So that means the overall oxidation state of lithium oxide is going to be 0. Since there's 2 lithiums, I know that each lithium is going to have a +1 oxidation state. So in the reactants, lithium has a 0 oxidation state. In the products, lithium has a +1 oxidation state. So lithium lost electrons. It became more positive. So therefore, lithium is oxidized. Let's look at oxygen. Oxygen went from having a 0 oxidation state to a -2 oxidation state. So oxygen is reduced. It gained electrons. Now that we've assigned what is oxidized and what is reduced, we want to say what the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent are. So lithium, in this case, is the reducing agent. It reduced oxygen. Oxygen O2, right, oxygen gas, did the oxidizing of lithium. So oxygen is the oxidizing agent.